and says no population no say pipe diameter pipe yedi year pipe no at the time na population no e wo form no commander net say ya say population aso and so you need to get a bigger diameter pipe e betuma twin so no bebre e dia bakromo so you have a development plan maybe the next 10 years 20 years in the next 20 years no grofo ba ba check romo no omboko manim sinsa so every time there's a progression of development and also a factor in whatever utilities are we yen nyina no enti they work can dey me dem fo no so bibia or we krono is silly. So you can imagine say for all these while adwuma yesiko jikonukum e ko Ghana Water Company agonu me be on back says ya
e maka say na be nko be 6 million Ghana.
That's because maybe why yache
we ko akaka botimi apon ho
why yache
na 6 million number of vehicles e better because
tankers no mo to mo twinde ko no the base. And who is coming show kutukum? So how do you expect them to deliver? Machine are say part in New York. How do you want them to work? You understand? And then you dear me form so mummy money. No me make sure say obi bia oye nyame bi say no. Asutwe na say ba. Mo amu frefre said then krono no wa bono na wo bo zama no. Sika na wo so back company ni nchem Ghana Water ho emba no na wo bo nsem say engoji ana. So clearly sometimes we need to be a bit nationalistic akra. At least you see can so to serve as a deterrent for other people almost say and what because for a whole week na menye so twice 3 times adem and the whole year metanechi mejididi so mbo ne board no any chief executive management no na baby atosi ni nyina no woni sisi ba ye kan we die and dem fa no so
okay
ba ye ko Galamsey die mesuma no commander baby ye duo no ye tiesi
okay
essence no na meet president Tacholete JDM I will not have sympathy for him a bit because when ya no ye didi enchi ni mekoyi wo position kasa woka enyama woka akese enyama akese or see the on to declare state of emergency.
I said that should be our last resort.
That is shameful. That is disgraceful. Say president better and say on to declare state of emergency. Yempo constitution no mukakra.
Okay.
Na yemfensuya die. Article 2576 be ketwe kasa.
Okay.
Or say a good dear be a sha asase asiye ewo suom ewo tajo insuo there can be river it can be sea. Ninyina no president no tia akonya so no ono na ye dia hye nsem no hwe so mfama yen. So every mineral in its natural states up under or upon the land in Ghana, rivers, streams, water courses throughout Ghana, exclusive economic zones, continental shelf is the property of the Republic of Ghana and shall be vested in the president on behalf and trust of the people of Ghana. When I didn't know where they are showing some. A brand new position. You beside the question, no, Enra.
Yeah.
Now, or to papa so on the number baby.
So,
or say, ultimately declare state of emergency.
Or say that should be our last resort.
And the maybe
actually say, me exhausting all plans.
Me didn't know yaw. And I can say 8 years, you know, Galamsey now Galamsey 8 years here the Shazi. At the time, no D vice president or D MP. Now you chrome bole. Now you hear Galamsey war. Galamsey was there. But today, under his watch, Galamsey na asenya poto. What I say? I just say the water body has been destroyed right in the past 8 years. And I make us a misumano. Because we call Konyaku Water West.
Okay.
Nansen, I was going through the social media. And I say, we call Agona Safo. If any say, those part of Central Region, I hold in in so bad. I just so thick. I just thick to say in Katingwine. How are you expecting the management of Ghana Water to do this? What's the state of emergency? Who got Article 31 of the Constitution? To declare state of emergency, the Council of State, had the advice to the president.
Okay.
No, they are called Parliament. Within 7 days, also declare. Maximum within 3 months, also will declare. Would declare we are. We should say the Nyaman Second you still want an extension. You still go back to Parliament and they will give you the mandate.
So I didn't think that the proposal by President say, just say all actionable plans available to us.
You see?
And son be a state of emergency.
What made you Mpensenpensenmu?
Okay.
You've been a vice president. You acted as a president. The president took one year. And I will be president. And I was saying, Akodiaba. On the Nyamia Chirano. Because we're deep in that. So I don't expect him to talk like a normal person. Say, on to me declare state of emergency. Now, every now war position.
On to me declare.
Me say, every now war position.
Okay.
One not for fayi. I would do in Makoni Chin. I would say, we will declare emergency. No. What stops him from doing it? He has no excuse. And then, as for you, Jakasa. Omo use omo pulpit, a preaching, a tia MPP. Say yen and yes, so they are all quiet. Only the Catholic Bishop Conference and Omokasa, all of them. All of them. Catholic Bishop Conference, and to become a catcher and say, said your old boom mino, Efa Galamsey, and go ye. And no microphone, you taste him. I go for the breast one. Commander, a sraf for no police for a bar, Galamsey for Mugani, and no more yaba. Yaba. Mumra.
Oh, how?
That's what is happening.
How? You say how?
Me see, Dunkwao, on the bridge.
Yeah.
NDC executive was able to tell the soldiers they don't need them here. Kodiaso, Upper Danger West. Dear Kosono Commander, I give credit to your colleague, Erastus.
Sorry, don't go.
John Mama has failed, His Excellency has failed the fight against Galamsey.
No, that's not.
He's in despair. Onim the Oyeno. Onim the Oyeno.
Also, what launching a blue water gas.
Oh, it's useless. Obi blue water. Obi don't want to fool. Blue water gas near you. Me say, who no phone? As you see, me brother here. Blue water. Me say, what a couple Galamsey. Me na you. Na who call porta. Go and see the excavated that are there. Oh, time. Time. And we need to tell the president on his face. Say, Obi Kasane Yako Chichi Nipai, Obi TikTok, no Wako channel. Now, that selective arrest and persecution is not helping us. Now, me I said on the press conference, no, no. Remember 2.5 over 10. 2.5. You know why? 1. Or see the whole program lasted for 1.5 hours. Or no, 30 minutes. 1 hour, then, because we need to critically ask him questions. Because 9 months now, we say me bubon yamano, go Galamsey come.
2.5.
Number 2. And then we got teacher training colleges. Only Formula 100. Formula 100, who did no power, who did you once a day.
Teacher training colleges.
I'm telling you with all sincerity. Formula 010, who did no power, who did you Formula 001, who did no power, who did you imagine when we're in secondary school, you don't eat and you go and study.
But I say.
And never is ever corner.
But I say.
Baby, only a number.
Agbesi.
And yet,
President made a press, Galamsey state of emergency.
That's a Ebem say yenya who difference no. President Akufo-Addo and President Mahama meeting the press.
Okay.
And you saw mark 2.5 there, and he's referring to that of a mark to Akufo-Addo. What did I say?
Okay.
Yesterday was so excellent, brilliant. And you 1.5 hours so. You know you extended the time to 2 hours. I'm up on very late. You understand? Yeah. On the on-cut. He was on top of issues.
President.
Yes. From energy, education, agriculture, just name it. Say, Omo can say, you see, a buy, a bit cancel, 3 years, 3 years, and so I'm going. Review, no, almost a cancellation. Now we have rather strengthened it. School for the mood did come out. Nana be a money be no cost could be.
Nana be mo.
Mono nana be repackaging rice no. A being cost could be. Expire rice no. A being called be. Things are going on accordingly under the able leadership of the Minister for Education, his deputy. What I say? Things are going on well. I say excavator says report. President Ice Plains San Diego. The excavators, some are meant for construction. What you say? Now who contract our yet one use excavators? Aban ben akufado aban as say forest reserves. Yet me reclaiming 9 of them. Any achievement? Sani pana kasa omo ya fun class unche media no grabo. Omo na using the years adumano to reclaim those forest reserves.
Oh, water gas fund.
Of course.
Yes.
They are part of it. It's a team.
Water gas fund.
Of course, yes.
Okay, to move free so no call enguremo.
Me say they are part of the team that reclaim the forests.
Okay.
Tieniye.
Metiye pa.
Na de okaya me fo no so say soja ni ben no be wo krum ha. A obetna say party ni be catch us wo ba ha ana emba ha. Then you're not worth your salt as a soldier. Party ni catch us emba ha. Now so pam we come a combat boot now I sign with you. You are not worth it. So we are soldier na party say emba ha. Take that drastic action based on the mission towards that environment and deal with whoever the person might be. I expect the party executive to rather set the example of people not actually going into illegal mining. But I've not gotten that fact yet.
Okay.
And the question is, who am I? What does he? Because had I been a police officer or a military officer, if you have been sent on a mission, have it accomplished. And I think that is exactly what the president is doing.
Okay, so okay, Attorney General letter them you could say they should investigate Joseph Yami and Abanga.
Attorney General actual letter.
Yeah, MIU.
One who later no, and that's speculation.
There speculation.
One who later no, one who bet my put reference number, my is here. The day issue and sign by who?
We see. Are you aware that the AG asked them to investigate?
The AG asked for where did they ask?
Are you in this country?
They be. These are all speculations.
Hey,
one who later no, one who later. What do we know who later no? AG have briefing nation no. And these two gentlemen are not part and part of this kind of illegal mining that are going on. Yami is going around organizing his activities as a party organizer. Abanga is doing his business as a party chairman, vice chairman.
It wunya where say Attorney General say you investigate Abanga ne Joseph Yami.
What I'm aware is Mineral Commission can say to me any lances to go into the forest reserve.
Okay, so graphic online.
I'm aware.
Graphic online. Attorney General orders probe into Galamsey links involving Abanga and Yamin. The Minister for Attorney General, the Minister for Justice and Attorney General, Dr. Dominic Ayeni, has directed the Economic and Organized Crime Office to investigate individuals suspected of engaging in illegal mining activities across the country. In a letter dated Tuesday, July 15, 2025, Dr. Ayede instructed Yoko to act on intelligence and public concerns regarding unauthorized mining operations. Quote, I write to direct your esteemed office to initiate investigations into suspected illegal mining activities being perpetrated by certain individuals within mining districts in the country, he stated. Dr. Ayede further disclosed that President John Mahama has reaffirmed the commitment to ending illegal mining.
Hold it there. They should investigate individuals, not Yami and Abanga. Please. Please. And you here.
What's your headline?
Me personally, headline.
Graphical.
It's misleading.
Graphic.
Of course, yes. No matter what institution might actually capture that thing. The point is that the Attorney General had instructed Yoko to investigate individuals.
Okay.
Name not mentioned.
In line with this national stance,
yes,
and pursuant to your mandate under the Yoko Act 2010, Act 804, I am directing your office to invite the following persons named in recent credible report. Underline, credible report. This is according to Attorney General. For interrogation, namely Mr. Yakubu Abanga and Mr. Joseph Yamin. The letter said. And it's a speculation.
Credible, yeah.
Credible report.
To investigate what?
Certain individuals, namely Yakubu Abanga and
No,
Mr. Joseph.
read the paragraph before the naming.
Was it in line with this national stance and pursuant to your mandate under Yoko Act 2010, Act 804, I am directing your office to invite the following persons named in recent credible reports for interrogation, namely Mr. Yakubu Abanga.
For
and Mr.
interrogation in what?
Illegal mining. Assembly.
Oh, it was not stated there.
But that's it.
It was not stated there.
Star 281. Star 281 hash. Select the option for the Chogumba Metro 1,000 Ghana. This bedroom, yeah, very serious.